I should say, have receded. So like I mentioned, things are a little bit more positive. Here with me now are co-owners of Low Pies. We're here with Andrew and we're here with his brother Peter. Now, can you guys kind of walk us through your restaurant and tell us a little bit about the damage that was caused by the flooding?
A lot of it is right over here on the drywall. We're gonna have to cut at least probably 6 inches or more out. A lot of it's bubbling up right now just because of where the water was. The bar has bowed a little bit, settled a little bit because of all the moisture in the air. There were a bunch of little bubbles there from the primer that we use that are in the actual cracks, and some of that is seeping out just because of how moist it is in here. If you come back to the kitchen, we probably had a good 3 or 4 inches in the kitchen. Luckily, the casters, legs, and mostly like everything in the kitchen saved a lot of the equipment. We plugged up a lot of the drains so it wouldn't back up. We also capped the drains outside so no more sewage could come in. That was the biggest part of it. So
yeah, so you guys had how many inches of water inside?
probably close to 6 inches or more. Yeah, in and out, mostly from backing up, but a lot of it came through the walls as well.
But for the most part, I mean, we're seeing it now. It's you guys are in much better condition than other restaurants, especially, on the riverfront. Now, Peter, I do want to ask you, what is kind of the game plan? What do you guys still need to fix around here?
Well, nothing besides the drywall and maybe seeing what's under the bar and how that wood looks. Other than that, it's just cleaning up and, seeing what other people need. And just, it's been nice, everyone giving a lending hand, and even the ones that have it worse than us, it's just everyone being so positive. It's great, yeah.
So I did notice your T-shirts. They are pretty cool, and so people can help you guys out by purchasing some shirts. What can you guys tell us about that?
Just get on our website, and then there's the two options available: lowpiespizza.com. So, yep, that'll help out tremendously.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, guys. And if you guys do want to help out, like I mentioned, you guys can purchase those shirts, and we're going to have all that information on our website, artquadcities.com. Back to you guys.
Andrea, thank you.